Hey y'all, it's me, Serena. Welcome back to my channel. I do fashion, lifestyle, and health and beauty videos every single week here on Style with Serena. So if that sounds good to you, keep watching. And please hit a thumbs up if you like my video. Where are all my petites? You guys know, if you've been watching my channel for any length of time, that I'm a petite gal. I am only 5'2", and plus I'm very short-waisted. And fit issues are very common to me, have been my whole life. It's been very frustrating to find things that fit correctly, that don't overwhelm, that hit in the right spot. So needless to say, I was super excited when Shortstorybox reached out to me about doing a video, and they are sponsoring this video, so thank you so much, Short Story. And if you don't know about them, they are a subscription styling service. They cater toward those of us who are 5'4" or under, and they have a wide range of sizes from 00 petite all the way up to 18 petite. And they carry a wide variety of brands as well as some of their own store brands. They are a woman-led company based right here in the United States out on the West Coast. And it's very easy. You just fill out your style profile with your style preferences and budget preferences, and a stylist curates a box for you, ships it out free of charge. You get 5 items, and you get 5 days to try on those items in the comfort of your own home and decide what to keep and what to send back. And of course, everything is free shipping. They send you a mailer to return the things that you're not keeping. And what I thought was really thoughtful is, at least in this first box, they sent me this little diagram about how to measure myself and this cute little pink tape measure. So I was able to take some good measurements and send back to them so they can style me even better next time. But I do have a link for you guys. It's a referral link. If you are 5'4" or under and would like to try Shortstorybox for yourself, if you use my link, your styling fee will be waived on your first box. So that will save you a little bit of money. You can just get the box for free, try it out, see how you like it. So I'm going to do a really quick rundown of the items they sent me, and then get into the try on because I know that's what you all like best. So first item, and I'll go into more detail on this in just a minute, is this mock neck top. This is by Muse Petite. It has this ribbed texture, the lettuce edge trim around the neck and the sleeves and the hem down here. And as you'll see, it fits me absolutely perfectly, and I love it. And this little top is $38, so not too bad. The other items they sent to try this puff sleeve knit top. This is by Petite Assembly, and it's in this super soft brushed knit with kind of a cream background and gray, almost like Dalmatian print dots on it. They also sent this top. This is by Gilly, and it's this beautiful periwinkle blue color with these little abstract dots. And then in the back, it has this little tie at the back of the neck, so that's really cute. And with these tops, they sent me a pair of slacks to try on. And these slacks are also by Muse Petite, same brand as this top. And they are just a nice basic trouser with some seaming detail down the front and kind of wide legs. And then the cool detail about these is that they have this split here at the hem of the pants, just to give a little bit of flair down there. So I'll be trying on both the tops with these slacks. And then lastly, they sent me this super cute dress, and this is by the brand Sugar Lips. And it is just this black floral dress. It has kind of sheer sleeves. The rest of the dress is lined. It has a tie neck here, little ruffle detail there around the neck. So this is going to be a super cute dress. You guys know what a difficult time I have with finding dresses that fit. So that is going to be exciting to try on and see how it fits. So without further ado, I'll get to the try on of the first item. So here is the first look. I paired this little mock neck ruffle edge top with this black and white skirt that I already had and my over the knee boots. And you've seen these over the knee boots before. I'll be sure to link all the shoes that I'm trying on in this video down below. So if you're interested, you can see where I got these shoes and order them if you're so inclined. But I just absolutely love this outfit. This skirt happens to be in a size petite as well, and with the petite skirt hitting me at the right place, the petite top, this is a very simple outfit, but I think it just goes to show you that when you have things that fit your body correctly, it makes all the difference. And I think this could be a great kind of outfit for Thanksgiving or even Christmas or for family photos, because I think black and white is often, you know, a nice combo for family pictures. So you might be able to recreate a look like this yourself. And I just think it's such a smart looking outfit. And I just love this top. This is a keeper for sure. All right, let me get changed and see what else I got to show you. Okay, next outfit, and I'm gonna go ahead and warn you, these pants are too small. I was able to zip them and button them, but they are too small. I know that. Okay, so just be warned. All right, this is the little abstract print tie-back top by Gilly. It is very cute. It's just made out of a kind of slinky, I guess, polyester fabric. So this is more like a shell, I would say, that you would wear with slacks and maybe under a jacket for work. I don't work in an office anymore, so I don't know how much I would reach for a top like this. It's pretty plain. The tie in the back does give it a little bit of interest. But you guys know me, I prefer something with a little bit of a V-neck, although this neckline is not bad because it's not tight up like a crew neck, which I dislike. But let's see, this little top is by Gilly, like I said, and it's $42. I forgot to mention that the little black mock neck I had on in the first look, that was just $38, and it is by Muse Petite. So now I'm going to show you the pants, so just get ready. These are also by Muse Petite, and they are really petite. And I have this problem a lot with, I'm in a funky in-between stage of sizes. I do need petite tops a lot of the time, but oftentimes petite pants are too petite for me. These are a perfect example of that. These are also too small. These are too tight and everything else. These, I don't understand the sizing on these pants because they have a zipper and a button, no elastic whatsoever, and the size just says small. You tell me, how can you have a size small that isn't elastic, that has a zipper and a button and is rigid? How does that even work? Well, it doesn't. If you're going to have a zipper, a button, and no elastic, then you've got to have number sizes. You can't just say, here's a size small, because a small could be a 2, a 4, a 6, or anywhere in between. I'm on the high end of a petite small, so this does not work. Petite medium might work for me, but even so, these are too short. And the slit at the pants is very cute. I like the idea of these pants. They're very, you know, flowy, and I think in the right size, they would be very flattering. But sadly, these are not the right size for me. So let me move on to the next top. Okay, next look is this puff shoulder top. It's not puffed very much, as you can see. It's just a very slight little puff. That's okay. It's in this brushed knit that's super soft. I like the curved neckline on it. I like that. I just left it out because these pants are tight and uncomfortable. This little top's got a curved hem on it, as you can see there. I think this would be cute with some jeans or even shorts, you know, in the summer. You can give it a little front tuck there, and that's a pretty cute little top. It feels great. I like the little kind of Dalmatian dot print of it, and that's in a gray, so it's like a cream and a gray. So this could go with a lot of colors. Black jeans, it would look good. Gray, blue denim, black pants that fit. Lots of things you could wear this with. And this little top is the Leah Knit Puff Sleeve Top by Petite Assembly, and it is $58. That seems pricey for this kind of a plain knit top. I'm not gonna lie. So, but I do like it. It's just a nice little knit top, has the slight poofed sleeves, and you can wear it with a lot of different things. All right, I got one more item to show you guys, and that's the dress. Okay, last item in this first short story box is this super cute dress by Sugar Lips, and I think this is a winner too. If you've been watching my channel for any length of time, you know my struggle with dresses. Dresses are the hardest thing to fit as a petite, or at least in my opinion they are. I'm very short-waisted. Lots of times the waist is too low, or just the overall dress just hits at a wrong place. It's too long for me. It fits and hits the length in a way that is very frumpy on me, and I don't want to be a frumpy person. I'm not frumpy. So this one I really like. First of all, I think this is a beautiful floral fabric. It's on this black background, but then you've got the blues and kind of the purple lavender colors. It's got a little tiny ruffle neck here at the top. I don't know if you can see that. And then it does have a tie neck. I didn't do a very good job tying it. Or you could leave it untied, but there you go. Has the tie neck. It has an elastic waist, and then a little flouncy ruffle thing here, and then the skirt goes down and there's another ruffle around the bottom. Now this dress is completely lined, and I'll show you the sleeves up close too. The sleeves actually have an elastic gathering right there, and then they come down and there's another set of elastic cuff right here, and then the little ruffle that comes out from the cuff. And I think it's just really super cute. I tried this on first with my over-the-knee boots in black, but they are flats, and I just didn't think that was the right look with this dress. I felt like this dress needed a little bit of a heel. So I put on these booties. They're brown, but that's okay. They're neutral. They have a little bit of a heel, and I just think that's a better look. And I could always throw on some tights with this dress too. Or I could wear some knee-high boots that had a heel on them as well, and I think that would look good. Let me know what you think about this dress. I think it's really cute, and it's fitting me really well. It's hitting me in all the right places. I like the length. The waist hits me at the right spot. The neckline isn't too low. A+ on this one. Really like it. So that, you guys, is my first short story box. Please leave me a comment and let me know how you think they did styling me. I'll definitely try them again. And I just love the fact that they are for those of us who are 5'4" and under and have such inclusive size ranges. That's a wonderful thing. So thank you again to Short Story for sponsoring this video. And remember, if you want to try it, use my link below so you'll get a credit on your first box. And until I see you guys in my next video, have a stylish day. Bye-bye.